All right, time to talk about the weather. And Annalise, for the last several days, this really hasn't been anything we've wanted to talk about. We need to talk about it, but it's just seems like it's kind of bad news all the way around.
I know, and it's mid-June. Karen, think about it. We got July and August to go through. I don't want to remind anyone, but yeah, we're probably going to be dealing with a lot more of this on the way. Take a look this morning. It was a gray start. We saw even more cloud cover this morning than yesterday, and so we have been dealing with some of that. It's trying to thin out a bit, but overall, those high-level clouds are going to hang around as we go on through today. That's good news in the sense that it will keep temperatures in check. It keeps us from getting back to 100 degrees, what we saw over the weekend. The bad news is it's just this moisture coming in from the south, so the humidity is pretty brutal. So current setup, high pressure, that big area of heat is staying back across the eastern U.S. Meanwhile, a little disturbance down around South Texas, helping to kind of send some of this moisture our way. You see the clouds streaming all the way from South Texas to North Texas. So do expect that the clouds will hang around through the day today, although we stay dry. And that's not the only thing that we are seeing there in the sky. We're also keeping some of that Saharan dust. It's going to continue on through the day today and into tomorrow as well, thanks to our pattern, expecting that hazy sky to stick around. So not going to have a clear blue sky even as we go on into tomorrow, when we do have more sunshine there in the forecast. Next couple of days, I think we avoid the triple digits as far as actual temperatures are concerned. Today, the heavier clouds remain. 97 is your high, but it is going to be our more humid day. And then by tomorrow, we actually are going to see a little bit of a drier air mass. Temperatures there about 99. Still there on Friday. A very low threat for rain as we head into the weekend. As for these rain chances, I know it's Father's Day weekend. Let's talk about this. High pressure is actually going to move a little bit closer to us, but notice it's not directly overhead. It's actually going to be more close to the central plains. So kind of riding along the periphery of that will be a couple of disturbances. And I still think at least a small threat of rain starting on Friday, about a 10% chance to about a 20% chance of an isolated shower come Saturday afternoon. We're still not completely out of the woods there on Sunday, but rain chances are going to remain very slim as we head into Father's Day. I do expect most of you are going to stay dry. We will stay humid and hot as well. So if you're trying to get those plans together for Dad, maybe he's a Mr. Fix-It kind of guy who wants to do some projects. We're going to see those temperatures very hot, up to about 99 as we look ahead to your Father's Day forecast. So yes, we stay above average. And next week, I hate to tell you this, but in this First Alert 7-day forecast, it does get hotter. First day of summer on Tuesday, Karen. What do you know? It's the hottest in our 7-day, 101 next week.
All right, Annalise, thanks so much. Brendan Barrett.